Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'll give you a quick tutorial how to make a UI design with a plugin that named Builder.io. So just search it on the resource Builder.io and this is it. This is the plugin. So in here we have export code that we can export code from Visual Studio Code or anything app or any app that's used for coding, and this is generate that we will use later, and this is import UI. So you can import UI design from just typing the URL and then just press it import to Figma. So then the web will be imported. So just jump right into it. Here we will use the generate feature. So what we have to do is we have to type the prompt what we want for our UI page. So when we type the prompt, and the style section is for if give the AI an example of style that a website that we want, and the open AI key you for using Builder.io generate feature, we have to use open AI key, and you have to buy from the website and then generate a API key, then copy it into here. So let's get started. Maybe I want to use Figma.com for the style and homepage hero, and let's generate. Let's see what we get. As you see the generating like this, but it's still a lot of mess, but it doesn't matter because we will edit it later. So maybe I want to choose this one. Okay, just press it and it will importing itself to your Figma file. Maybe it's took a bit time, so just wait for it. And while okay, there it is. Send prototype and collaborate in all one place. Okay, this is it. This is the homepage. As you can see, it generate the homepage hero itself. You press generate, and then we will. So my plan is going to make an a, pro, a portfolio website for my picture, my photography, and so we'll use a picture many picture holder in here for containing our picture or for containing my photo, and maybe before that I will import some photograph that I have shoot a long time ago. So I will use this five of this photo, and we will import it to Figma for the asset. Okay, there we go. This is our photo, and we will resize it a bit like this. So make sure it's fit for this. And before we start editing, maybe we can prepare the asset first, like generate a navbar, and maybe I will use from Figma again, figma.com, and as you see, it generating itself for the navbar, and I will choose this one in importing. So maybe we can take a look for Figma website, figma.com. Let's see. Hmm. No, no, no. Let's just get into here. And oh, why navigate to there? Maybe this one, the Figma homepage. Ah, there it is. The Figma homepage is like this. Hey, it doesn't. It's not like this one. What is this? I don't know where it's from. It's not from Figma. But anyway, it's doesn't matter because we will edit it later. And maybe this look good. Let's see what font here. Just inspect. Let's see what is the font, and make a blog. Maybe it's here. Maybe in head and the font. There it is, the font. And what is the font? Preload font media. Cross origin. Preload. Maybe it's font just TTF. But okay, just ignore that and focus on our project. Sorry for I get distracted with this. And okay, this is our navbar. And maybe we will auto layout this first. Make it auto layout. And I don't need this because this is a portfolio website. So we'll just like this. Okay, and we will adjust like this. Okay, why we don't use this? Ah, okay, okay. I'll put out, set it center, and I will choose for the color. Just let add fill, and whoops. Okay, just like that. And let's put it here. And there we go. We have the navbar. Maybe we should make it like this. Okay. And then I will change the image from this into this. Okay, maybe we'll resize it for making it fit to the frame. And maybe we'll cut it and put it to here. Okay, we'll paste it here and send it to back. And for the font, hey, wait a minute. I will give it a fill first for darkening the image, and will set the opacity to 30. Okay, now at contrast, mm, and I will take a rectangle here for a border like this and set the color here. Okay, so just delete this, and we will change the text into like this. Gallery, okay, HFS. That is my initial. And okay, like this. Set the width. And maybe we will change the font into, let's see, oh, we haven't download install the font. So back then, when I'm searching for font for design, I got this uh, a good font. Where is this? There it is, Modern Sans Serif and Zip Flower. Zip Flower is good font, and we'll install it. Hey, we have installed it. Okay, maybe let's just turn to our Figma and use Silk Flower instead. Silk flower. Okay, there we go. Our font. And let's just take a look. Okay, like this. And resize the size. And we'll make it bigger. Maybe we'll use 64. And for the button, we will use maybe, okay, before that, before going to it, I want to change the just take a look, and let's use Meriwether. It's regular, okay? And I will, okay, set line center. Oops, my friend calling, just ignore it because I'm just recording now. It's fine. Okay, we'll turn it into 6 and we will change the color into green like the background color, like this. Okay, wait a minute. So I will continue later because my friend calling me, and I'll pause the video first and we just get back. Okay, back again to the tutorial. So where are we? Okay. Oh yeah. Maybe for the next step, maybe we'll edit this later. I want to use Builder IO again for making some picture. What is this? Picture holder. Is it the name? I don't know. But just type. Maybe for the picture I want to use the reference, I'll not use the style like this. And a picture holder. Picture holder with descript description beside it. Okay, let's see what we get. And it's very, oh, maybe we'll just picture holder and it really sucked. So maybe I will use Everlane. Maybe just close it first and then everlane.com portfolio page. Okay, maybe this will work. I don't know, but Just let's try it. This one good. And but maybe we should take this one. Oops. What why this? The connection. What happened to the connection? Uh, okay, the connection is a bit okay, okay. Here we go. Here we got that one. So we just put it here and delete this, and I'll, hmm, okay, it's very terrible. I just make it's, I prefer to build it manually than making with this thing. It's a bit dumb. Okay, for the next, maybe we should, for the frame, should we do for the frame? I will, oopsie. Okay, I will use this color again. And for this card, I will use my photography and I will use this as a mask like this. Okay, there we go. And then let's use as a mask. Okay, there we go. And we will like this and make it with a fill. Maybe I will change it to 40. And there were the projects. I'll delete this first because it's a bit annoying. And this one, I will copy it to here. Just use as mask. Hey, what happened? Okay, like this, use as mask and adjust the picture. And there we go. Just add the fill again and I'll set it into 40 that I used before, like this. Maybe it's a dark 30 and this one. I will smash like we did before and adjust the size, maybe too big. Just resize it a bit. Okay, just to 40. Okay, we did this, and maybe we'll change it into home, and then gallery, and stretch it a bit. Then this will be about me, and here will contact. Okay, there we go. And here we'll delete this. So for the home, I will change it with home and resize it. And I will change the font to 24. Oh, too big. It's too big. 16 is good. And I'll this. Okay, we'll hot content. We'll change all of it into a hut for making it neat. And then let's change into silk flower. No, okay, it's good. I don't know, but okay. For the next step, I will change into darker color like this. And for this frame too, then I will take a test. I will change it into look at my works. And I will maybe change into silk flower again because it is a really good font or retro font. I like it. And after that, we will use postbar icon for again take some icon here. Let's regular and where's the down? Okay, there it is. And we'll size it like this and change the color into white. Okay, there we go. And just let's auto layout it like this. I'm a bit odd for this. Okay, for because it's vintage like this. I'll use this one. And for the background, okay, for the background, I will use an effect, so background blur. And then I will change the opacity into 40. I will change like this. I'll full it with the frame like this. Maybe we'll adjust the background blur into 40. So okay, there it is, the glass morphism effect. Maybe I will darkening a little bit, like 60. And What about we change into 100? No, it's too blur. 60 maybe. No, no, no. I just 20. 20, it's good. And we'll use the same effect. Maybe we'll repeat the effect. So we just search, use a new style, less more prism, and create style. And if you want to use effect, just add this and adjust into 40 and whoops. Let's adjust the picture a bit. And I'll adjust it into the center. Okay, after this, maybe I just use a sample text like photo 1, photo 2, photo 3. I will just type outside of the frame, photo 1, and ah, oh, or the mask group is outside of the frame. Okay, this 9. Whoops. So we'll paste into here to the frame and then just like this we will, okay, like that. Maybe we'll use some auto layout and make a glass morphism effect again in here. So this corner radius I will choose 8. I will 8 this, and for this one is 8 and this one is 8. I'll change this 2 into 8, and just like before, let's fill with color, change it to opacity, then use the glass morphism effect, maybe 20. And I will change the color into black, change the opacity 20. Okay, and let's duplicate into here, just change it, change the text, photo 2, photo 3, and I'll make a button, look more, a CTA button, and I will change the font size, and use Meriwether, make a button, take a fill, maybe I will use, uh, not this one, I'll use this one for the fill, and I will just uh, change to 12 maybe, no, 8, Now maybe 6, the corner radius, and add to center. This kind of odd. I'll change it into here and select all of it. Oh, we can't select it. Okay, just we'll use Meriwether instead. Meriwether and use Bolt maybe. Okay, I will just use Arial. Arial. Okay, it's good, but I'll just ignore it. It's don't take it so serious. Okay, for the next section, I will use Builder IO again for making what what it is, the about me page. Okay, generate what will what is the result? This took a bit long for generating. Okay, there we go. Maybe I will change it into horizontal, not the vertical because I want the horizontal. Okay, maybe I will change it into description section like this. I will not using the style because oh maybe Figma.com will help. It's not helping at all. Maybe we will use the builder IO. So go on this section. Maybe we can just we'll try another method for making this. Just URL to import. Okay, we'll use Figma URL and maybe okay like this and frames. Let's layer in frames. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, just frames and import the Figma. Let's Let's see what we get. So it takes a bit long for generating. Okay, maybe I will just take a rest first. I want to take a rest first and maybe we'll continue. Uh, oh, there it is. And what is this thing? Huh? It's not showing anything at all. It's so bad. Okay, maybe. And where's is my project? Okay, there it is. Okay, maybe we'll continue after the break. And yeah. Okay, so continue to our project. So, okay, for so we want to make an what it is about myself section. Okay, so we will just generate. Oh, before that, I want to show you the, the credit. Oh, so there it is. Credit remaining. So when you use the Builder IO plugins, after you generate and import some, you will the credit that you have will be decreased like this. So in here I'm using the $5 credit so that at the first time my credit is $5, but when I'm using the Builder IO it will decrease the credit amount. So you have to be wise if you want to using this tool because it's a paid tool. You have to spend your money for this plugin and it's not to recommend. I'm not recommended it. Yeah, but just let continue the project. So we want to make a page. Let's use a more complex what it is the more complicated prompt. So it will much more uh I forgot what to say. The prompt will be more harder, like this, and more information that contains in the prompt. So I will type a page with description text on the right and a cart on the left. Okay, on the left and button below below the text. Okay, let's generate it. Okay, I will show you the decreasing the decreasing credits when I'm using it. So just let's maybe I will choose figma.com for the reference and let's generate. So is it will decrease it is or where when we just imported it when we generate or import it. So let's see. Okay, it's a bit long for waiting this to come. And let's look. Hmm, what I need is this one, maybe. Yes, this one. Okay. So as you can see like this. When we importing it, okay, it's already imported. I will put it on the bottom, then resize it, and I will change this one. And maybe we'll make the button first, and this. And for the frame, I want to choose green and just delete the field and about me, oh, like this, and change into silk flower demo. After that, change the size and for the text, maybe I will search for lorem ipsum. Lorem ipsum. Okay, this one. I'll choose this and paragraph, just one paragraph and generate. Okay, there we go. The lorem ipsum text. And we will change the text into Meriwether. And here, change the color of it. And the bottom, I will change the opacity like this. And for the button, I will delete this one and Shift A, and I will change to learn more. Learn more. Okay, so here we go. Our button is ready. Maybe I will choose a fill for it. I'll choose this one. And for the border, I'm just will 8 It's not too good, I think. Maybe let's choose another color. Maybe green, like lime color. And I'll change the text into this green. And then the context section. Okay, for the picture, I want to use my, here, is it in here? Nope, maybe I'll export it first from my phone because the picture is on my phone. Okay, let's choose internal storage. Let's, okay, what happened? Let's restart. Okay, there we go. And I will choose picture, Adobe Lightroom, and choose of my picture. Where is it? Let's see. Not in here. I didn't find it. Use this one. No, I won't use that one. Hmm, maybe let's just Instagram. Is there any photo? Oh, there we go. This one. I will use this one for. Oh, oh no. I will use the other one. Just wait a bit. And here we go. Hey, what's happening? It's a bit laggy. I'll copy this picture into here first. And then I'll import it to Figma. Okay, there we go. So this is for my picture. And delete this and use this as a mask. So I'll resize it a bit, making it fit like this. And I'll resize the box too. Okay, just wait a minute. Now, there we go. Then we put it here. Maybe I want to change the radius into 10. No, 40, like this. And I will choose a stroke outside and 3 for the stop. Wait. Oh no, not for the picture. I want This is for the rectangle. Okay, and then 8. It's not working. So outside. Why is it even not getting stroke? Let's just repeat. Mass stroke is already outside. And whoa, just like this maybe. Maybe I will take an ornament like this and this for 8. Nope, 20. Send it to back and just like this instead. And the color is white. Just a thin stroke like this. Okay. Uh, I didn't like this one. And maybe I will, no, just like before. Okay. So after that, I will make contact and I will use component plugin, the builder IO plugin again. So make a contact section generate. So let's see the billing. Let's see usage. Okay. Hey, let's check this. Oh, never mind. No, no, not this one. Maybe just build a section that contain email, phone number, and social media. And I want to use this style. This is a space. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, it's very, very odd. I don't want to use it. So just restart. So let's make a footer section. And I will use Figma.com for the reference. Okay, let's generate it. Footer section that can okay, just wait. Maybe it's odd like this. What? Maybe I will use another website like lego.com. So when I used to be kid, um, very often, there it is. I'm very often visiting this page because it's have a very playful website and it's good. Maybe I will use this one instead because the other it's not too good. And you see, okay, just put it here and resize the frame. And maybe I want to make two of it. Just press Alt for duplicating the frame like this. What I do, and here maybe I will use this photo for the frame. Oh yeah, I get a great idea. Let's shift A with this. We got this thing and set the padding to 20, upper padding to 20, and set it here. Okay, for the background, I will use my photo instead. Oops, like this. And I will use glass morphism effect for this one. Use the selection color fill with these, and this I will make 30, 30, and effect glass morphism. Maybe I will use 40. Nope, I will change the color into white maybe. No, it's more black. Maybe darker green will help. And for the blur, we will adjust the blur into 50. So the colors, and this one, the picture, I will add fill for making it more darker. Maybe I will change this to 40. Okay, like this. And okay, for this one, I will take a text, visit pass on, and I'll change it into what is the silk flower demo. Change the font to 40, maybe 32. Set line it in the center, and I'll text first. And for this text, Merry weather will help, and it's the font will be 14. Nope, maybe 12. And I need an Instagram icon. Maybe let's check on our previous. Nope, there are no Instagram account icon. So let's just search it on the plugin content reel icon Instagram. There are no logo Epson Instagram. Why is error? Okay, I'll just use an image instead because it's error. And let's see where we got this this logo and icon. And there we go. We have it. Already have. And just copy into here. Resize it. Okay, maybe we'll put it out here first and put it in here and on here. Okay, just like this. We will delete this one. Okay, there we go. And for the footer, just like this. Just use the template instead. And for the frame, I will choose this one and just put in here. And why it's like that, I don't know. Why my friend calling me again? Okay, just make it fast and change it 2023. Okay, there we go. Our web portfolio website is done. It's just for practicing to make an UI design with Builder.io. And yes, like that, you have to type a prompt first and then you have to choose what page you will going to use for the reference, and then and generate. The result will not very satisfying, and you should edit it more, like what I do now. And last thing, you have to pay for using this AI tool. And there it is. Maybe that's for the tutorial. Hope you like it. It's too long, maybe. And in case, hope you like my tutorial, and see you at the next video. Maybe before that, I want to change it a bit more. Let's change the color first. Or make it same. Okay, and see you at the next tutorial. Bye. I'll stop recording.